Have you ever wondered if your credit score truly reflects your financial health? Many of us rely on credit scores to secure loans, mortgages, and even jobs. But what if the numbers don't tell the whole story? Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit scores, specifically the controversial Koho credit score. Is it accurate? Let's find out. Context: the credit scoring system has evolved over time, becoming an integral part of our financial lives. It's a numerical representation of our creditworthiness, based on factors like payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, types of credit, and new credit. Koho, a Canadian financial technology company, has introduced its own credit scoring model, claiming to offer a more accurate and personalized assessment. Koho's claims: Koho asserts that its credit score is more inclusive and considers factors beyond traditional credit reporting. They argue that their model can better evaluate the creditworthiness of individuals with limited credit histories or those who have experienced financial hardships. Additionally, Koho emphasizes the importance of financial education and offers tools to help users improve their credit scores. The controversy: while Koho's claims sound promising, there are several points of contention surrounding the accuracy of its credit score. Critics argue that the company's reliance on alternative data sources, such as rent payments and utility bills, may not be as reliable as traditional credit reporting. Furthermore, there are concerns about the potential for bias in Koho's algorithm, which could disproportionately affect certain demographics. Comparing Koho to traditional credit scores: to understand the accuracy of Koho's credit score, it's essential to compare it to traditional credit scores. Traditional credit scores, such as FICO and Equifax, are widely used by lenders and have a long-standing reputation for reliability. While Koho's model may offer some advantages, it's important to consider the potential limitations and risks associated with using an alternative scoring system. Case studies: to provide a more concrete understanding of Koho's credit score accuracy, let's examine some real-world case studies. We can interview individuals who have used Koho's services and compare their experiences with traditional credit scoring. These case studies can help us assess the benefits and drawbacks of using Koho's credit score in different financial situations. Expert opinions: to gain further insights into the accuracy of Koho's credit score, we can consult with experts in the field of credit scoring and financial technology. These experts can provide valuable perspectives on the strengths and weaknesses of Koho's model, as well as offer advice on how to use credit scores effectively. The importance of credit education: regardless of which credit scoring system you use, it's crucial to understand the basics of credit and how to manage your finances responsibly. By educating yourself about credit, you can take steps to improve your credit score and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion: the debate over the accuracy of Koho's credit score is ongoing. While the company claims to offer a more inclusive and personalized assessment, there are still concerns about the reliability and potential biases of its model. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of using Koho's credit score and consider your individual financial needs. Ultimately, the best way to ensure accurate credit reporting is to maintain a healthy credit history and monitor your credit reports regularly. Final hook: with that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember to question everything, especially when it comes to your finances.